Oh, excuse me. Shit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Pinch Pacific Capital live streams. Just gonna do a quick run through of what happened yesterday. Yesterday's daily candle closed bullish. Rejected 1810, never really came down to 1800. Rejected 1810, closed back above 1816. Rejected 1820. Now we're trading back in this range here. We might have some bearish plays come down, potentially retest the lows, but we can clearly see we have a support level at 1811 over here on the daily time frame. So we might start potentially driving bullish at this point. If we do drive bullish, I'm expecting price to come up above, come tap our next top on bullish plays is at 1820. So if we get in on buys, we're going to anticipate price coming up to 1820. If we get in on sells, we're going to anticipate price coming down to 1811. Looking at the forward time frame, we have the previous forward candle close slightly bullish, creating some sort of support level at 1817-200 right here. So we're currently trading in range right now. I think for potential sells, we might potentially look for price to come down below 1817 before we looking getting sells, because based on the forward time frame, we can clearly see clean traffic coming down all the way to this support level that was formed yesterday during pre-NY session, or London session, should I say, at 1808.50 right over here. You know, when I came onto the charts, I saw the structure on the 1-1 time frame, and initially wanted to take a buy over here, because I saw the previous 1-1 candle goes bullish, creating some sort of support level over here. So because gold has been bullish since yesterday, I did want to take buys over here, potential for price to potentially retest the highs, but then I saw this range over here to this next resistance over here was less than 20 pips, and usually I want to put ourselves in a good position to take a trade, and this range over here didn't look too good to me. That's why I passed on that trade right over there. For me to take buys, I potentially wait for price to come up above 1819. Potential closure above that level would give me some pretty decent buys at that level, but not too confident taking buys at this point. And for sells, I think looking at the 30-minute time frame on the left. If we get in on sells, let's do something first. Okay, I think sales would be better taking on the 30-minute time frame if you have some nice price still ranging at this point. I think if you have some nice kind of closures below 1650, could get some pretty decent sales coming in at that level. At the 5-minute time frame, not too confident on the 5-minute time frame, everything's ranging at this point, so really gonna be sticking to the 30-minute time frame and the 1-1 time frame. 10-minute time frame looks a little bit decent for us to take potential buys above 18, 17, 70 area, but as you all know, the 50-minute time frame is not a strong confirmation time frame, so we are going to be focused on the 30-minute time frame and the 1-1 time frame. If we are going to get in on sells, I think potentially we might have some nice sells below 1816. Because coming down over here, we have a nice, pretty decent 30 plus pip range. Could potentially come down to this level and then potentially fill the wick over here. So that's something we're going to be looking at. But at this point, just going to be chilling, waiting for price to play out.